What's up? Why? You're so fat.
Yo, what's good, man?
What up? Is that Reno?
Yeah, this is Reno. This is Evo.
What? He gained some weight.
Yeah, he's like,
We're making home fries.
Fries?
Making home fries.
Those aren't home fries.
Well, just wait.
Those are not home fries.
Just wait.
Wait for what? You can't turn those into home fries.
That.
It's impossible.
You can do anything you want to do.
Not home fries.
the home fries.
Those are fake home fries. But they're still probably bomb. Have you made them before?
Yeah, my dad taught me. Well, not make them, but yeah. Throw some of that.
Spread them out, though.
Throw some cayenne pepper on it.
I don't know about that. Okay, whoa, what is that?
It's pepper, dude.
Whoa!
Not that cool? A little bit of pepper?
On their half.
You don't like pepper? What?
Just like a little bit.
You're not a chef.
Me?
No, just Zach.
I'm not really that good. I feel like I should have. Oh, man.
Just tell us right now what your challenge is, because we want to know.
It's not a challenge.
Well, what is it? What's the challenge?
Well, yeah, it's kind of a challenge.
What is the challenge?
It's a surprise.
The surprise is right now. Say the surprise now. What?
I told her in the workshop, Gabe.
All right.
Let's to wait till what?
It's called the workshop.
All right,
Let's
so,
wait till we're in
all right,
the
so we're
workshop.
gonna see who can do. Well, we have to find a weight, but we're gonna see who can do 100 reps of the same weight in the least amount of sets.
100, and we're all
100 reps.
gonna be doing the same weight.
Yeah. So we have to find a weight, 135 and 185. We're gonna do.
I don't think we can do 135.
What?
I think that's too light.
I don't know if I can get 100 reps for 185, but 135.
So 200 reps of 135.
200 reps.
Are you scared?
That's so many reps.
200 reps.
That's crazy. That's a workout.
200 reps.
No.
200 reps. 200 reps.
Let's do. The only way I can do the 185, it would take me 10 sets. 10 sets.
You can do 10 sets of 10 with that?
That would be struggling.
That's not bad.
No, it doesn't have. Like you can be more than 10 sets.
Yeah.
You just better hope we're not.
Yeah, but you guys are.
But like we could do it with it.
Yeah, I think we should do that.
200 reps.
Yeah, no, 100 reps, so it's a little more weight. 185. Your idea was 100 reps. What? That was your original idea. Now you don't want to do it.
But now I'm trying to get Jake in there.
No, you can do it.
I'm just gonna lose.
No, you.
Don't say that.
Yeah, Jake.
Mixing it up. Look at that wrist. Look at the wrist.
Look at it.
They're homemade fries.
Home fries.
Pre-workout of today. Some coffee. Thank you, Mrs. O.
Dave.
Reno. This is the best dog in the world right here. He's kind of. Look, he's kind of weird. Yeah. I'm ready to bang these 100 reps out. Gabe benches more than me, but I might get him. Get this win.
Here's a real pre-workout. Zach, take notes. It tastes just like it.
I bet when you taste it.
Jake, drink this and tell me what gum it tastes like.
I mean, it automatically can't be too.
It's gonna taste like the plastic.
Get out of here.
It tastes like just some like classic throwback bubble gum.
No,
Yeah, it
what-
is throwback.
what bubble-
Oh, yeah. If you had to say one.
If you had to say it, take another sip.
Like the cotton candy.
Yeah, do you need another
No,
sip? You
no,
need
no.
another sip.
Taste it.
Think about your childhood.
Let it taste it on your tongue.
It tastes like it was flat, like rectangle piece. You'd have to unwrap it. I don't know what it was called though.
Oh, you're a homo.
No, he's right. That's exactly what it is.
Is that what it is?
Oh, it tastes
Yeah,
like
it's-
the one that
it's
was
a Tutti Frutti.
in the circle.
It was
the
a-
circle.
No.
where you
It's
pull it
a
out.
gum with a zebra.
Oh, it do taste. Nah,
Wait,
nah.
wait.
No, you want to say it, but you don't want to make me write it.
Nah, because I got the square gum, but not.
It's a gum with a zebra
Your
on
head
it.
is-
Like all the pieces are different
Your head
colors.
looks like. Let's get it.
Let's go to the workshop. You guys lifting? Whoa, where's the gym used to be right here.
James in a better spot. Man.
Belongs here in the middle. And you have the mats now?
Hey, you guys might beat me in a.
This is the gym today, the workshop.
But you ain't
This
never
is
gonna
sick.
beat me in ping pong.
Jake, I'll beat you in ping pong while I'm benching.
That'd be. You ever seen that movie Balls of Fury?
Yeah, I've seen that.
100
Director.
100 reps. Brush your teeth before you do it.
I don't think that has anything to do with benching 100 reps.
Okay, you'll see.
You know, you're gonna see.
You know, by J. Cole's guy?
Oh yeah, I like him.
Around like it's soul food, damn. I do this like a game of chess, cause I'm living play by play.
So we're at my friend Jake Orlando's house. He's got a home gym.
The workshop.
Yeah, we're at the workshop. This is the workshop. So we're hitting chest today, but I didn't want to just do like an ordinary chest workout. So today we're gonna do 100 reps of 185 and see who can get 100 reps with the least amount of sets.
Yeah.
And I'm about
Whoever gets the least amount of sets
I'm
wins.
about to do this. Gabe benches more than me, but I'm still gonna win.
We're gonna see about that. What are you gonna say now when you don't win?
I tried.
Okay, I tried. All right.
That's all you can do is try.
All right. Try hard.
Check it.
Is anyone there? Uh-huh, honey.
In the workshop, baby.
Except for things that can't change. I pray that all of their pain is champagne.
Damn, how many more sets?
Zach, what did you say before that started? What did you say before that started, Zach?
Damn, well, I got more sets to do. I gotta finish up.
How many more you
Fucking
got,
whacker.
Zach? What are you at?
65.
You just gotta get 35 right here.
Where's my trophy?
Wait, I could get 35 reps right here.
Where's my trophy?
He didn't win yet. What the fuck? I can do 35 reps.
All right.
And if you call it AMCOB,
What are you doing?
I'm not getting to 11. Hello.
All right, Zach, dude. So like I thought, I won Zach's challenge.
Not winning this.
But Zach almost tied me. He almost got 35 on the last set. Like I'll give it to you. That was close.
The only chance you had is if he didn't get 100,
So now,
and then you got 35 and 2.
I still gotta do 25.
okay. So Zach is at 75. You're on 6 sets. Jake is at 65. He's on 6 sets. I got 106 sets. Jake, are you gonna finish with the benching?
No.
Cause I have a deal. I have a deal that I think might be.
All right.
What about this? So you're at
Trying to hear the
you're at 65, right?
Yeah.
So what about you would have 35 more. So instead of doing 35 more reps with 185, you can do 70 push-ups instead of benching. So that's 2 push-ups for every 1 set, 185.
Yeah.
Do you think you can do that?
Right now, no, I can't. Trying to push up
Just
right now.
just today, in the near future, sometime in the near
I
future.
get to wake up tomorrow.
No, sometime in like the near future of today.
Yeah, I'll do push-ups. Let's do a push-up. Fucking pull-up challenge.
You want to do some kind another?
Let's do it. Oh, no, my chest is 185.
We
That's
can
most reps I've
we can do
ever
some.
done.
Yeah, that is, and that really is good that you stayed around like all the same reps. You didn't really drop down a lot. That was good.
I mean, yeah.
We all did good. I just won.
As soon as you got 23, I was like, alright, I'm just gonna finish myself.
And now what does Zach have to say? What does Zach have to say? He tried. He tried.
This won't be the last one.
It's because you
this won't
didn't-
be the last challenge.
It's because you didn't wear a Cowboys tank.
You live to fight another day. You live to fight another day.
Yeah, you have to bench another set.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
You didn't even do biceps today, guy. Zach is really sad right now because you didn't win. But Zach, you're still in the game. You need 10 more reps. Can you do that in one set without a spot right now?
Don't spot me. Watch me.
You need 10 reps to get to 100
Oh!
with no music. Just focus. Oh, Zach. Do it for Larry. Do it for Larry.
Larry Wills!
This, no, Larry Wheels.
Larry the Lobster?
No, he's close, close. You need 2 more right now? Come on, 2 more for 100.
Fuck.
For 100.
For $100.
I don't know who's giving that shit. Come on.
Woo! Fuck!
Alright, you're free. You're a free man.
Get 100?
That's 100. Alright.
Hundo.
Okay.
The chest pump.
Alright, calm down. You get,
You lost.
yeah.
Everybody's a winner. I lost. If you did 100 reps, you would have won.
ELE. ELE.
You didn't do
Shadows in the night, the pirouettes around the stars. We were running in the haze. I remember every shade in my veins and the shot up sparks. Words fell from your lips. The lighthouse was arms in the dark. When you do it, I remember every shade. I'm already feeling. We smoking while we're peeing. Ain't to say that for with me. It is me. How a young posted on the street. Don't call it sesame. The one takes
Winning the championship really takes a lot out of you. So I'm really tired right now, but I'm getting some more energy because the one and only best shots in the house right now.
Kobe.
With the Kobe jersey and Jake's driving.
Yeah.
Jake's
They met me.
the Snapchat. This is the Snapchat Jake too. And Lindsay. Lindsay, what's up? What are we doing?
Wait, we're going in the garage.
We're going to the garage, and then
You lost in ping pong.
what?
You lost in ping
I
pong.
might have lost in ping pong by 2 points, but I won. I won the real official challenge though,
You did win.
and I beat Zach in ping pong. And Jake benched a lot more than Zach too. Zach, if you disagree with that, just say something right now. All right, so it's true. What is it? What is it? Did you find your phone? It's in the back.
Oh, it's right here. Chilling.
Wow.
Alright, YouTube, look at this. First, I gotta show you a little bit of that. That's dedication.
Is it still recording?
Yep. Couple medals. You know. Just gotta surround yourself by Jordan. You'll have what you need.
Workshop.
Yeah, this is workshop.
Workshop number 2.